Templates are designed to be reusable across multiple pages or sections of a website. Instead of creating each page from scratch, users can select a template as the starting point for their new page, saving time and effort in the content creation process. Imagine the power to transform and iterate your web presence with speed and precision. Sitefinity's template capability gives you and your team the keys to design with agility. Through autonomous customization, content managers take the lead, crafting and adjusting page layouts with ease, bringing the narrative of your brand to life without a single call to the IT department. With rapid deployment, gone are the days of lengthy design processes. Now, the journey from concept to live page is shorter than ever, allowing you to respond to market demands and update your content at the speed of thought. With consistency and compliance, these templates are more than just a canvas. They're a framework ensuring that every page meets your high standards for brand integrity and accessibility, regardless of the device that your audience uses. Finally, the intuitive editing interface mirrors the live environment as you work, offering a transparent and error-free design process. What you create in the editor is exactly what your audience will see, making each adjustment a confident step towards perfection. Sitefinity's page templates are more than just tools. They're catalysts for innovation, allowing your brand to evolve digitally just as quickly as it does in every other arena.